What's up, everybody? It's Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media, and this is video number 7. Yeah, I got a microphone in my hand. This is video number 7 of my microphone test. And in this test, I am testing the Tonor BM-700 with the Neewer NW-800. You can't see it down there because I'm going to hide these mics from you while I talk into both of these microphones, so you can try to make an informed decision on which one is which, see which one you like best, and hopefully make a decision on purchasing one. These videos are not sponsored, but I got these microphones because I wanted to step my audio up, and the price that I got these microphones for was unreal, so I had to make the purchase. If you look at my other videos, you'll see the links right here. That's one right there. And I'll go ahead and put one over this shoulder right here. If you see my other videos, you see that I got the Tonor microphone for $46, well, $50 after tax and all that stuff. And it was a complete kit. It came with the pop filter, it came with the arm, it came with the phantom power, it came with everything these microphones need. Right now, I'm using my Tascam audio recorder to provide phantom power for both these microphones. And the Neewer NW-800, I got it for 11 bucks, maybe 13 bucks after all was said and done, but still, that's a heck of a deal you can't beat. But between the two, can you tell the difference in audio? I have these microphones side by side, and I'm not letting you see them because I don't want you to try to cheat and find out which one is which, but I'm going to be bouncing the audio back side to side between the two. Well, not side to side, but one at a time between the two, so you can see if one sounds better than the other and help you make a decision on if you want to purchase it. I'm going to go ahead and put links in the description of this video so you can go ahead and purchase one yourself if you do like it. But which one do you like best? And matter of fact, I had the microphone side by side, but now I'm going to talk into one at a time, and you let me know if you can tell the difference between one or another. So this is one. What's up, everybody? It's Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo. Does my voice sound smooth? Is my voice good for radio or no? I don't know. What's up, everybody? Yeah, am I sounding real smooth or am I sounding silly? I don't know. I'm just having fun with this, but hopefully by me just talking into the microphones and switching the audio, you can tell which one you like best. I like them both, actually, and especially for the price point. If you're on a budget and you want better audio than what your DSLR camcorder or even your cell phone provides, these might be a good choice. The Tonor BM-700 or the Neewer NW-800, both under 20 bucks. Man, that's unreal. Hopefully that was not only because of Cyber Monday, but if it is, I'll put a link in the description. Hopefully you can get it at the price that I paid for it and be just as happy as I am that I got these two microphones so cheap. But if you want to upgrade your audio for under 20 bucks, I mean, come on, that's unreal. Unreal, considering all. I mean, yeah, we might all want some better microphones, better, more expensive, but is it that much better quality-wise? I don't know, but you guys let me know what this sounds like to you. Let me know if you could tell which microphone was which, microphone A or B. I'll let you guys know at the very end of this video, and hopefully you consider subscribing because I have another video with microphone tests coming up really soon. So this is Ahmed with A. Roberson Photo, A. Roberson Media, and I'll see you in a couple of days in the next video.